সকাল দুপুর সাজে তোর কিনারায় বসে। ভয় পেয়েছে মিঠু, আবার ভয় পেয়েছে, তাও আবার ঘুঘু পাখিকে দেখে। এ লজ্জা কাকে বলবো, এ লজ্জার কথা কাকে বলবো? মিঠু নাকি ভয় পেয়েছে, তাও আবার ঘুঘু পাখি দেখে। লম্বা ঠোঁটের কাজ কি তোমার, বলে যাও আমাকে। ঘুঘু তোমাকে দেখাইছে ভয়, মানুষ যে তার কথাই রয়। They are tied to apple. Here an apple, and there are 3 birds. One is dove, another 2 is parrot. Parrot are tied to eat apple. One white and yellow color parrot. This is most beautiful bird. And one is Modna parrot. In their location in South Asia in Bangladesh. So let's get their activities. What happened? They are doing. Oh, the dove is doing pair in parrots. Parrot also pair by dove. This is very interesting. He has a strong chunch, but he paired by dove. Wow. Me too. What happened? Why are you here? He is so weak than you, but also you fear. It is so interesting. This is so lovely. Yes, you try to eat apple.